Imagine waking up each morning feeling lighter, more energized, and ready to take on the day without that uncomfortable bloating or sluggishness weighing you down. What if I told you there's a simple, natural drink you can make with ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen that could help you feel this way in just 10 days? This isn't about a quick fix or some trendy diet fad. It's about tapping into the wisdom of nature, using foods that have been cherished for centuries to support your body's natural ability to heal, balance, and thrive. I'm excited to share with you a morning ritual that's not only easy to make, but also backed by science to help ease bloating, support digestion, and even help you slim down that stubborn belly area. If you're someone who's tired of feeling heavy, dealing with digestive discomfort, or just wanting to feel your best, especially if you're over 50, this is for you. Stick with me until the end, and I'll walk you through exactly how to make this powerful drink, plus share some tips on how to make it a game changer for your health. Picture this: our ancestors didn't have fancy supplements or complicated diets. They relied on the earth's bounty. Simple, whole foods that nourished their bodies and kept them strong. They understood that nature provides everything we need to thrive, and they use simple ingredients to support their health. Let's start with the foundation of this drink, warm water. Now, you might be thinking, water? Really? But don't underestimate the power of something so simple. Warm water, not ice, cold, or scalding hot, but just the right temperature, like a cozy cup of tea, has a remarkable effect on your body. It's like a gentle wake-up call for your digestive system. When you drink warm water first thing in the morning, it helps relax the muscles in your stomach and intestines, making it easier for your body to process food and eliminate waste. This can reduce that uncomfortable bloating that makes you feel puffy and sluggish. Science backs this up. Warm water acts as a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps widen blood vessels and improve blood flow, which supports smoother digestion. It also kickstarts the release of digestive enzymes, those little helpers that break down your food so your body can absorb nutrients more effectively. Plus, warm water can make you feel pleasantly full, which might help you avoid those mid-morning snack cravings that sneak up when you're not even truly hungry. It's a small step that sets the tone for a healthier, more balanced day. Next up, we have apple cider vinegar, a golden elixir that's been used for centuries, from ancient Greece to modern kitchens. This isn't just something to drizzle on your salad. It's a powerhouse for your health. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apples, which gives it acetic acid, enzymes, and trace minerals that work together to support your body in multiple ways. One of its biggest benefits is how it helps balance your blood sugar. When you eat, especially if your meal includes carbs, your blood sugar can spike, leading to energy crashes and fat storage, especially around your belly. Apple cider vinegar slows the rate at which sugar enters your bloodstream, helping to keep those levels steady. This is crucial because stable blood sugar reduces the risk of insulin resistance, a condition that can lead to weight gain and even type 2 diabetes. Studies have shown that just a small amount of apple cider vinegar can improve insulin sensitivity by up to 34% after a meal, making it easier for your body to use glucose for energy rather than storing it as fat. But that's not all apple cider vinegar does. It also supports fat metabolism, helping your body tap into stored fat for energy, which can be a game changer if you're struggling with stubborn belly fat. It's like giving your metabolism a gentle nudge to get moving. Plus, apple cider vinegar promotes the production of stomach acid and digestive enzymes, which helps break down food more efficiently, reducing bloating, gas, and constipation. It's also naturally antimicrobial, meaning it can help fight off harmful bacteria in your gut, giving your immune system a boost. And here's a bonus. Research suggests apple cider vinegar can help lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, by up to 13% in some studies, which is great for your heart. By incorporating just a small amount into your morning routine, you're supporting not just your digestion, but your overall health, from your heart to your waistline. Now, Let's talk about lemon juice, that bright, sunny fruit that's so much more than a garnish. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells from damage and helps reduce inflammation throughout your body. When you squeeze fresh lemon juice into warm water, you create a gentle tonic that does wonders for your digestion. The tartness of lemon stimulates your salivary glands and digestive system, signaling your stomach to produce more enzymes. This helps your body break down food more effectively, reducing the chances of indigestion or that heavy, bloated feeling after meals. Lemons also have an alkalizing effect on your body despite their acidic taste. Once metabolized, they help balance your internal pH, which supports smoother digestion and better nutrient absorption. This balance is key for fat metabolism, too, as it helps your body process nutrients efficiently rather than storing them as fat. Vitamin C in lemons also gives your immune system a lift, helping you fight off illness and keep inflammation in check. Inflammation is a silent culprit behind many health issues, including bloating and weight gain, so calming it down is a big win. Plus, lemons add a refreshing zing to the drink, making it something you'll actually look forward to sipping each morning. Across cultures, lemons have been used for centuries, from ancient Egypt for preservation to traditional medicine for cleansing and vitality. They're a reminder of how nature provides simple, powerful tools to keep us healthy. Next, we have ginger, a humble root with a spicy kick that's been a staple in healing traditions for thousands of years. Ginger is like a warm, comforting friend for your digestive system. It's particularly good at soothing nausea or that unsettled feeling you might get after a heavy meal. If you've ever felt a bit off after eating, ginger can help bring things back into balance. It contains compounds called gingerols, which are natural anti-inflammatories that work to calm irritation not just in your gut but throughout your body. This is important because chronic inflammation can contribute to bloating, joint pain, and even weight gain. Ginger also promotes healthy circulation, giving your body a gentle energy boost without the jitters of caffeine. Studies have shown that ginger can reduce bloating and improve digestion by speeding up gastric emptying, the process of moving food from your stomach to your intestines, by up to 25%. This means less time for food to sit and cause discomfort. Ginger's warming effect also supports your metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. It's a small but mighty ingredient that adds both flavor and function to this morning drink. Finally, we have cinnamon, a spice that's not just for baking but a true health hero. Cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants that protect your cells from damage and support your body's natural healing processes. One of its standout benefits is how it helps your body handle sugar. Cinnamon improves insulin sensitivity, meaning your cells can use glucose more effectively, reducing the chance of it being stored as fat, particularly around your midsection. Deep belly fat, also known as visceral fat, is especially harmful because it surrounds your organs and increases the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Research shows that cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugar by up to 29%, making it a powerful ally for metabolic health. Cinnamon also supports your gut microbiome, the community of bacteria that plays a huge role in digestion and overall health. It encourages the growth of beneficial bacteria while keeping harmful ones in check, which can reduce bloating caused by poor digestion or fermentation in the gut. Plus, cinnamon adds a warm, subtle sweetness to the drink, helping you feel satisfied without adding calories or spiking your blood sugar. It's like a natural hug in a mug, making this morning ritual both comforting and effective. When you combine these 5 ingredients, warm water, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, ginger, and cinnamon, you create a drink that's greater than the sum of its parts. Together, they work in harmony to support your body in multiple ways. They improve digestion by stimulating enzymes and promoting smoother movement through your gut, which reduces bloating and gas. They support your body's natural detoxification processes by boosting circulation and helping flush out toxins. The antioxidants in this blend fight oxidative stress, which contributes to aging and inflammation. This drink also helps balance blood sugar, lower cholesterol, and support heart health, all while gently boosting your metabolism to help you burn fat more effectively. For those struggling with belly fat or sluggish digestion, this combination can help curb cravings, regulate appetite, and make you feel lighter and more energized. It's not about drastic changes or deprivation. It's about a small, consistent habit that aligns with your body's natural rhythms. Now, let's get to the good part, how to make this drink. It's so easy. You'll wonder why you haven't been doing this forever. Start with 1 to 2 cups of warm water. Think of the temperature you'd use for a soothing cup of tea. Not too hot to burn your tongue, but warm enough to feel comforting. Squeeze in 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. If you want an extra boost, add a pinch of finely grated lemon zest for more flavor and antioxidants. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Look for the kind with the mother, those cloudy strands that indicate it's packed with beneficial enzymes. Add a few thin slices of fresh ginger, or about half a teaspoon of grated ginger for that spicy kick. Finally, sprinkle in a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to tie it all together. Stir well, and your drink is ready to enjoy. For the best results, sip this drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. This gives your digestive system a clean slate to start the day. If you prefer, you can split it into 2 servings, 1 in the morning and 1 later in the day. Just make sure to adjust the portions evenly, especially the apple cider vinegar, to avoid overdoing it. While these ingredients are natural, balance is key. Too much lemon juice can wear on your tooth enamel over time, so consider sipping through a straw to protect your teeth. And too much apple cider vinegar can irritate your stomach or throat, so stick to the recommended amount. This recipe is designed to be safe and effective for most people, but if you have any medical conditions or are on medications, check with your doctor to make sure it's right for you. To see results, commit to drinking this daily for 10 days. Many people notice less bloating, smoother digestion, and a flatter feeling stomach within this time. After 10 days, take a 3-day break to give your body a rest. Then feel free to repeat the cycle if you'd like. Some folks make this a permanent part of their morning routine, pairing it with a diet rich in whole foods like leafy greens, berries, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins, plus regular movement like walking or yoga, and plenty of water throughout the day. These habits amplify the benefits, helping you feel lighter, stronger, and more vibrant over time. Speaking of whole foods, let's talk about how to support this drink with the right diet. Focus on foods that nourish your body and work in harmony with this morning ritual. Start with vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and kale, which are packed with fiber and antioxidants to support digestion and reduce inflammation. Add in fruits like berries, apples, and oranges, which provide natural sweetness and vitamins without spiking your blood sugar. Healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, and nuts like almonds and walnuts help keep you full and support heart health. Lean proteins like salmon, chicken, or lentils provide the building blocks for strong muscles, especially important as we age. And don't forget whole grains like quinoa or brown rice for sustained energy and more fiber to keep your gut happy. Avoid processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive refined carbs, as these can undo the benefits of your morning drink by causing inflammation and blood sugar spikes. This morning drink isn't just about physical health. It's about reconnecting with the wisdom of nature and honoring the body you've been given. Throughout history, cultures around the world have turned to these simple ingredients for healing. Ancient Greeks used vinegar for wellness, Ayurvedic traditions embraced warm water for cleansing, and ginger and cinnamon have been staples in traditional medicine from Asia to the Middle East. These remedies have stood the test of time because they work with your body, not against it. As you sip this drink, take a moment to appreciate the earth's generosity, the water that sustains life, the lemons that grow under the sun, the apples that ferment into healing vinegar, the ginger that soothes, and the cinnamon that warms. It's a reminder that health doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Sometimes, the most powerful solutions are the simplest ones. As you embark on this 10-day journey, think of it as a small act of self-care that can lead to big changes. You might notice less bloating, more energy, or even a slimmer waistline. But more than that, you'll be nurturing your body in a way that feels natural and sustainable. Share this with friends or family who might benefit, and let's spread the word about how simple ingredients can make a big difference. If you're curious about other ways to support your health as you age, like building strength and staying active, this drink is just the beginning of a journey toward feeling your best every single day.